In this lesson, I want to be showing you how to add audio to your videos in Canva. As you can see, I have this clip here. I'll play this so you guys can see a pretty cool clip here that you can use. All right, so now to add audio to this is you want to make sure that your clip is selected. And now we're going to go over to upload. This is going to allow you to upload your own audio file. So if you do have audio files saved, go ahead and click upload files. And this is going to help you navigate to where you have saved in your computer and you can upload them in here. Once they are uploaded, you're going to find them right here. So this is where you can drag these and drop them on here. But since I don't have any audio files, I'm going to show you how to find audio in here. I'm going to go over to apps over here and I'm going to search for audio. Okay, search. And you can see we have an audio application. Click on that. This is going to be added here on your toolbar. And if you look here, we have lots of songs that we can use. I'm going to go ahead and pick this first Highlander Droid audio file here. I'm going to click on that. As you can see, this is going to be added on here. As you can see, it's only got added here because this is where my playhead was. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. And I'm going to move my playhead all the way to the beginning here. And I'll add this right here. As you can see, now it adds to the entire clip. Okay, I'll play this so you guys can see. Pretty loud here, but you get the idea. So now we have our audio file and our video file here. So now sometimes you might want to, let's say, you wanted to split your video right here. I'm going to split the video. Let's go ahead and split the video and maybe split it right here. I want to show you how you can adjust the split video. All right, so let's say for this clip here, I want the audio sound to be a little lower because I want to hear maybe someone speaking in this clip. So if I wanted to reduce the audio that is right underneath just this little clip here, is I would select this clip itself and I'm gonna go over to the volume button here and I will lower the volume. Okay, you can lower the volume to whatever level you want to lower the volume. So let's go to maybe right here. Cool. Okay, so that's how you're going to be able to do this, right? So you want to select the actual, you want to select the actual. Let me go ahead and split the audio file itself actually. So you have to split the audio file as well. Split the audio. Now you can select the actual audio right here. And you can click on volume, right? So now you can kind of like adjust the audio here, right? So you can adjust it. So you can see if you can put this on 0. For this clip only, it's going to be on 0. You can, let's put it at maybe right here, and you can also add this to all audio tracks if you wanted to do that. So if I add this to all audio tracks, you can see that this is going to be applied to all audio tracks, but that's not what we're trying to do here. Now that's how you can individually adjust the audio of this of the entire video. Now if you wanted to adjust the rest of this, you can click on this, go over to adjust over here, right? So now you can see that you see the entire audio file, right? We only took a piece that was as long as our video. Now if we go down here, we go over to our volume. You can lower the volume here if you want to do that. So I'm going to lower the volume. All right, you also have some audio effects that you can use, such as fade in and fade out, right? So this is only going to fade in. If you have these audio files split up, it's only going to apply to the audio file that you have selected, okay? So now if you didn't want to, let me go ahead and select these right here. And this one, I will delete those and I'll add this again right here. Go ahead and add this beginning. And let me trim this to match my video. Okay, like that. Okay, cool. Now if I have this selected, I can hit on audio files and then can add in a fade in effect. This is going to be applied to the entire audio file, right? Fade in effect, and I would adjust the sound to maybe 20%, right? To 20, and this to 20, like that. There we go. Pretty nice here. I'll play this for you guys so you guys can see. All right. So once again, if you don't like this part of the audio, if it's longer, just hit on adjust. It'll show you the entire audio clip. Okay. Pretty cool stuff here. That is how you can quickly add audio to your videos in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.